Just have a noise, please. Are we ready to start?
Yes.
Yes, with a lot of energy. So I'm here to give you a warm welcome to one and all for this evening. As we all know, namge gottiro hage every day the generation is just going super fast. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಮುಂದೆ yes are we living here ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್. So ಅಂತ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have the AIs and the technologies which is having the rapid super fast. So ಈ ತರದ ಒಂದು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ is coming. So the name is like that. The name is the Hey Buddy. The name itself eye-catching. So we are here to launch the program today, and once again ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Heartily welcome for village to welcome our dignitaries, Mr. Ram Kevlu. So can big round of applause to him, and we are going to warm welcome and take on Mysore chairperson. So please welcome me. And I'm very privileged to welcome Mr. Samruddhi Manjunath sir, the MLA of Mulbaglu constituency, and also the chairman and MD of Samruddhi Groups. Nimellera chappale jotege avrunu kuda ivattinu ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋಣ. Tycoon and owner of this property, we have an MD of Le Ruchi Groups of Hotel. So ನಮ್ಮ ಗಣ್ಯರನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. It's a time to inaugurate today's function. Any occasion will be inaugurated with our customs, with our tradition. Hey buddy at Mysore. So nimellera munde, and for this launching event we have the lighting the lamp and inaugurating today's function. So can we just have a big round of applause on the ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಣ್ಯರು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕತ್ತಲಿನಿಂದ ಬೆಳಕಿನೆಡೆಗೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನ ಇಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಕತ್ತಲು ನಶಿಸಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಬರಲಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯವನ್ನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. We have an inauguration today right now. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರ ಅಮೃತ ಹಸ್ತದಿಂದ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. It's really honor to have everyone on the stage. ಹಾಗೆ please have a look on the LED display.
Plan my trip to California.
On it, sorting your California trip, flight, hotel, cab, insurance, reminders. Your California sorted.
Book a doctor for my baby. She's had a fever since last night. Done. One less thing.
Clear all my pending bills and subscriptions this month.
Got it. Clearing your bills and subscriptions now. Done.
Sorted. Before his first meeting.
Find me a good data science course and remind me about my exam next Friday.
Got it. Finding the best data science course and setting your Friday exam reminder. Done. Course starts Monday. Reminder set for Friday. She just asked. It handled the rest.
Order my usual medicines. You know what I take.
Got it. Ordering your Metamol, Amoxicillin, and vitamin D. Delivered.
Too many apps. Too many decisions. Too little time. Every day, people switch between apps just to get simple things done and business to stay visible and reach. What if life instead of separately? Meet Hey Buddy. The AI-powered super app is real everyday living. Just say or type what you need. Hey Buddy understands and connects you to the right service instantly. From daily essentials to professional services, Hey Buddy brings everything into one place, so users don't need 10 different apps. It's not just convenient. It's life becoming simpler, faster, and easier. For service providers, growth shouldn't depend on expensive platforms or hidden rules. Zero commission.
So eliminated. So ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ we have the founder of Hey Buddy, Mr. Preetham. So please can we just have a big round of applause to Mr. Preetham, who is coming on the stage, who has been experienced more than 25 years in an IT sector, and also who has given more than for this Hey Buddy. Now over to you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. It's really a great pleasure to have you all here this evening with us. Most of you would have got a context what we are trying to build or what we do, right? With that being said, I just want to start with a question. When you felt the simple thing in life is actually felt simple. Good for you. You want to place an order online and you just open an app and you don't find your favorite restaurant, and what do? You switch to another app and you find your restaurant, you place the order and you see that your saved address is removed for some reason. You fix that and then you try to open another app, to complete the food order that you're trying to. So you keep switching between apps to just get your food order done, right? And in fact, on a Friday evening, you should be relaxing, but you ended up doing project management of your own evening, right? So in the meantime, you get something else. You again open another app. It's a different app, different chat window, right? So, not a small problem, it's from our own experiences and what the world is currently facing from the app fatigue, right? So, this is the everyday tax that millions of us are quietly, the tax of fragmentation, the tax of switching, and the tax of remembering which app does what, right? So we did not build ABuddy as another app, right? ABuddy AI, because the world has too many apps, and AI exists, right? So ABuddy AI is one platform, multiple services, and connected experiences. So it's voice first, because the most natural interface, I said, okay, yeah. It's voice first because the most natural interface a human being ever has is their own voice, right? So, and it's AI orchestrated because the intelligent belongs to the platform and not on the user, right? And it's human-centered, right? Every decision that we make, we always ask a question. Does this make somebody's life a bit easier, right? So, and it's a human center, right? As I said, so our vision is very simple to say. When I talk in words, it's pretty simple to say, but it's very hard to build. So when I say it's very hard to build, I want to quote a real example that happened just yesterday and day before at office. I think most of you know app development is not just about the development. You also need to publish it and get it reviewed and approved by the respective either Google Play Store and the Apple Store, right? So it's been I think a couple of months it's been that we have developed this product, but the review from Google Play Store is quite faster. It could be in days or hours, but the review from Apple is not so easy. It's been, I think, nearly 2.5 to 3 months that we struggled a lot with many questions, many rejections, that we had to solve one by one, and it was just approved on Wednesday sometime around 9:30 to 10. So the entire team were really happy that app has been approved and released. It was major functions were working, but couple of them were not. So I just asked the team, guys, I see a couple of things are not working. How are we going about that? So they said, no, those are many, I think, very simple problems which we can solve by end of the day today maximum. And with that, assurance, I had to request Sutanva sir, Manjunath sir, and also Manjunath B sir, that we wanted to have the soft launch on 8th, and once I got the go ahead with them, I just planned this event, but the problem was not solved even by yesterday. So the technical team said that by 5 p.m. we are 100% sure the problem will be solved, but then it was 6, 7, 8, 10 p.m., 11 p.m. and 12 a.m. midnight. The app was still not functioning. So it was totally a disaster that, I really requested team, give me an assurance that app would really, the issue would really be solved in next 30 minutes, or I will have to, cancel the event. I will go and request or do whatever I can to ask apologies of all the dignitaries, and we will cancel the event. That was the position, on the yesterday midnight. So the guys promised, no, just give 30 minutes or 1 hour from now. If you don't fix it, let's cancel the event. Right? So finally at around 2:30 a.m., the problem was solved, and we were able to use all the functions that we have developed so far. So that's a challenge. That's how hard it is, to build a app and get it released and verified from all those stores and get it to the people. So that was, I just wanted to quote that because how hard is that, the team is really working in the background, to make this event tonight, right? So if I have to talk about the opportunity, this is not a small ambition that we are trying, right? So we are designing to India first, because if it works here, in this beautiful country, but quite complicated, multilingual and multi-context country, it works anywhere is what we believe, right? So, and we are designing for the global from day one, keeping in mind all the compliance, privacy, and the existing category more valuable. And this is how I think we believe the technology has to work, quietly, confidently, and in the service of human in front of it, right? So, none of what you see tonight, right, what we are trying, it wouldn't have been possible just by one person. So before we go any further, I really want to express my gratitude and thanks to my entire team, the engineers, the designers, the product thinkers, the operations team, and who have really shipped through the long nights, longer weekends. Thank you guys. I think you guys are sitting right next to me here. Right, so I just want to thank you, each of you, and to our advisors, in the IT world, and that word really matters. Alpha means it works, but it's not fully ready yet, right? So we have a long road ahead, and we are committed to walk it responsibly, and we are committed to walking it with you all. So words are easy. So I think right now we want to quickly show a demo how Everybody AI actually works, right? So I request Bhumika Egde to join me to just give a quick demo about the product.
Other functionalities, just 3 of them for today. Can you order masala dosa from MTR? Restaurant and
Delivered to your home address. Hinkle. Confirm.
yes.
Joseph from MTR to your card.
Ordered. So that is one functionality.
Give you a choice of top 10 restaurants, based on various parameters, maybe use.
Can you book general physician for Monday 2 p.m.
Consultation for Monday, May 11th at 2 p.m. Ready to pay of 2 rupee.
Yes. The payment method after I confirm that I want to book the physician.
Already have Practo and other online. I think nowadays very less people are really using Practo because of the charges that they are doing from the doctor side as well and from the user side as well. So we are simplifying that and we are looking more from tier 2, tier 3 cities.
Get the call after the partner, that is who the doctor is, confirms it with an OTP specifically for your device. So it's ringing. The person will be only able to pick it up and answer back once, obviously, it's verified. So this is just a demonstration.
Really great. Hope this demonstration and an explanation what we just got from. So ವಿದ್ಯಾವರ್ಧಕ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಗೌಡ್ರು ಇವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದಂತಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರೋಣ. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೆಷನ್. So are we ready for the app launch? Okay, ಗೆ ಬರ್ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ MLA ಆಫ್ ಮುಳಬಾಗಿಲು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಲಿರುಚಿಯ MD ಆದಂತ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ ನ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. Hey buddy, logo is already here and the launch will be done today with all 3 dignitaries on the stage. ಇವರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ ನ ಲಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. 5 4 3 1 and here we go with everybody launching at Mysore. Come on, can we just have a big round of ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಮುಳಬಾಗಿಲಿನ ಶಾಸಕರು ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂಡ್ MD ಆಫ್ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಬೀರ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿದಾಯಕವಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವಿದು ಒಬ್ರು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I can speak little Kannada, not very fluently, so English today. To Preet, Ganesh and Chetan for bringing something. It's a very proud moment for all of us. For a long time, Mysore was always considered to be a sleepy tourism town where some few things are happening. We have a lot of history and legacy, but people were questioning whether the new age innovation and technology can come from Mysore, and we have a great example of what can come from Mysore. So really, I request all of you to give a standing ovation to the 3 members who have created this a couple of weeks ago. And the theme of that conference was Reimagine Mysore. Reimagine Mysore because Mysore has a lot of things to be proud about. Our legacy, our history, our culture, our heritage. Also our manufacturing industry, our tourism, our health practices. So many things we are very proud about, but many of these things have been created in the last 50-100 years. Or even beyond that, thanks to the royal legacy of the Vadiyars. They've created a beautiful city for us. But I think it's time that we reimagine ourselves as not just a city where it's great to live in, but also a city that produces for the world. Technology should help us focus more on creativity.
Appreciated words from you. So can we just have a big round of applause to sir for sharing your words about Haywardly sir. We also have Mr. Samruddhi Manjunath sir, the chairman and MD of Samruddhi Groups, also MLA of Mulbaglu constituency. Sir, Dharmadi.
ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಓಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ನನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 6 ಮಂತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ತುಂಬ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು, ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇವರ ಅಜೆಂಡಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರವಾಗಿ ನ್ಯೂಯಾರ್ಕ್ ನಡೀಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಲಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಯಾರ್ಕ್ ನಡೀಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಟೈಮ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿವಸ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಯಶಸ್ಸಾಗಲಿ. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ನನ್ನ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್, ಇವತ್ತು ತ್ರೇತಾಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅಂತ ಅದು ದೇವ್ರ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಂತು ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂತ. ದ್ವಾಪರ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಗಿಳಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪತ್ರ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಬೇರೆ ಕಲಿಯುಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಚೆ ಬಂತು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಷೇಮವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಷೇಮವಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂಚೆ ಬಂತು. ಅಂಚೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಬಂತು, ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪೇಜರ್ ಬಂತು, ಪೇಜರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾಹೋ ಬಂತು, ಯಾಹೋ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಬಂತು, ಗೂಗಲ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಬಂತು. ಇದು ದಿನ ದಿನ ನಾನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂನ್ಸಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ತನಕ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಹೋಲ್ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕೇ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಆಸೆಗೆ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೀರಾಗ್ದಂಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನ ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಬಡಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. ರಾಜಕೀಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾಗಿ ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್.
ಹೇಬಡಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದೀಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ, ಹೇಬಡಿ ಟೀಮ್ ನ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆಯನ್ನ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಡಿಗ್ನಿಟರೀಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್, the MLA constituency of Samruddhi Groups today. Thank you so much for coming today's the founder CEO of eCircle and chairperson of Dr.B Mysore. Thank you sir, great presence sir. It was really happy and honor to have a round of applause, and on behalf I'd like to give you Dr.B. Thank you so much sir with your great wishes.
That means a lot.